Good morning and welcome to the Shatkin F.I.R.S.T Monday Morning Minute.
Hi, I'm Dr. Todd Shatkin and welcome to this Monday Morning Minute. Today I want to talk to you about our Shatkin F.I.R.S.T resin cement. This resin cement is a wonderful product. It's a self-curing resin cement. It is not light cured, which means the light will not make it set up any faster, okay? It's a self-cure cement, and the reason I chose a self-curing resin cement for my implant work many years ago is because it goes through a rubbery stage at about 80 seconds where it's very easy to clean the cement off of the restoration and around the implants. If it was a light curing cement and you cured it with a light, it would be very hard to clean off, and this makes it very easy to clean. Dr. Gillespie and I have been using this cement for almost 20 years. It's tried and true and proven. It works great. In fact, I use it for all my crown and bridge work, not just the mini implant work. I use it for my single crowns, multiple crowns, bridges, roundhouses, and of course, all of my mini implant dental work. Now, it's very easy to use. It's a double barrel cartridge, auto mixing syringe. All you do is take the cap off and put your mixing tip on just like that. Now make sure when it's a brand new tube that you dispense a little bit in the beginning just to get it going so we know that it's mixing. So dispense a little bit, then you're good to go. Now what you want to do with this is you want to put just a little bit of cement on the ball on top of the implant and then fill the hole in the crowns about 3/4 of the way. Then you simply seat the crown, have the patient bite together and cement the crown or bridge. I recommend having the patient bite together without gauze. Just have them bite together normally and hold the crown in place with your finger if it's a single tooth. That way you've got the occlusion right, you're sure that they're biting all the way. Sometimes if you put gauze in there, it can deflect the crown or bridge so that it's not seating exactly right. Of course, you want to try the crowns in before you do any cementation. Check the occlusion, check the aesthetics, check everything and make sure the crown or bridge is seating all the way to the soft tissue so there's no gaps. At that 60 to 80 second mark, the cement will go through that rubbery stage, and that's where you peel off the excess cement and clean it really well. Now the other thing we use the resin cement for is to pick up your housings in a Fix-on-6 restoration. We don't use it for the dentures. The denture reline, we use the pink resin reline material that we've talked about in the past. But for the Fix-on-6, you don't want to use pink. You don't want any of that pink to show through the porcelain. So use this white Shatkin F.I.R.S.T resin cement to pick up those housings in the roundhouse bridge. And the way you do that is simply fill the holes in the bridge, make sure the housings obviously are on the implants, and seat the bridge in and have the patient bite together just like we do for any other crown and bridge work. After about 3 minutes, you'll pull the bridge off and the housings will be in the Fix-on-6. Once you've done that, simply take a small burr and remove any excess cement from around the housings and then reinsert the bridge onto the implants and you're good to go. So the resin cement has a lot of different uses. Like I said, to recap, I use this for all my crown and bridge work, for single teeth, multiple teeth, bridges, roundhouses, and all my mini implant work, as well as picking up the housings on the Fix-on-6 restoration. I hope this Monday Morning Minute was helpful to you, and I look forward to seeing you next Monday.
Hi, I'm Fitz. Welcome again to the Monday Morning Minute. I'd like to talk about our upcoming events. On June 16th and 17th, we're having our 2-day advanced course. We'll be lecturing on Thursday, the 16th. On the 17th, Dr. Shatkin will be doing a full day of live surgery. So for all of you who want to come out and shadow but don't have the time or can't get into your schedule, this would be an excellent opportunity to come out and watch case after case after case of advanced mini dental implant procedures with Dr. Shatkin. On Saturday, June 18th, Dr. Samuel Shatkin will be teaching dentists on how to place Botox. It is such a great thing to know how to do when you're doing these full restorations, full zirconia roundhouse restorations and Zantac restorations. He'll have a full day of teaching dentists on how to place Botox in the masseter muscle, and he's very thorough. I've been to 4 of his Botox courses. The dentists that I've talked to who have attended have nothing but praise about the course and have learned a ton. You can bring your own models or we can provide your models. So you make the call. That'll be on Saturday, June 18th. And to not leave the state of Florida out, we will be at the Florida Dental Convention the last week of June. It's going to be June 23rd, 24th, 25th, and it's at the Gaylord Hotel down in a beautiful part of Florida, in Orlando, Florida. And we hope that you can come by our booth to say hello and discuss getting started with mini dental implants. And don't forget to get signed up for Washington, D.C. on August 4th and 5th. Dr. Andrea Smith, who is the president of the International Academy, last week in Lake Tahoe did a great presentation on the importance of coming out, and a bunch of like-minded dentists talking about all the latest innovations with mini implants and monodental implants. So put it on your calendar to come down to the National Hotel in Washington, D.C. on August 4th and 5th. It'll be a great event. And be sure to send your submissions to Mark Ahrens to be included in this year's International Academy of Mini Dental Implants Journal. Dr. Shatkin, myself, and all of us at Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. hope you have a great week placing mini and mono dental implants. And don't forget, whenever you need any assistance, please call Shatkin F.I.R.S.T. at 1-888-4SHATKIN, or you can get a hold of us via our website at shatkinfirst.com. Don't forget to tune in to all of our Monday Morning Minutes, and if you've missed any, you can find them on our website. Have a great week. We'll see you next week on the Monday Morning Minute.